On February 26, 2026, Trooper Billy Martin attempted to stop a Volkswagen Touareg for speeding on Interstate 49. Instead of pulling over, the driver continued onto Fulbright Expressway and began accelerating, prompting the trooper to initiate a pursuit.
10-4, show you turning eastbound to Fulbright. Show me 10-4, 10-37. Still on the brake. TVM. 10-4 TVM. TVI, should you? Full right. 10-4 westbound, full right. Wrecked out. 10-4 wrecked out. .42's out with him. 10-4.
Did he run? Is he running?
As the pursuit entered a populated area, Trooper Martin attempted a pit maneuver, but the driver managed to continue fleeing. Moments later, a second pit maneuver was executed, causing the SUV to crash into a concrete wall before crossing the roadway and striking a highway sign. The driver then jumped out and ran into a nearby wooded area. The suspect, identified as Zachary Mason, was quickly taken into custody after the foot chase. On June 9, 2024, Arkansas State Police found themselves involved in one of their wildest motorcycle pursuits. It all began when Trooper Robert Rome spotted a rider operating a motorcycle without the required safety gear. He activated his emergency lights and sirens to conduct a routine traffic stop, but instead of pulling over, the rider pinned the throttle and sped away, turning a simple stop into a high-speed pursuit.
He's in the ditch, and he began passing on the pig. Headed towards downtown, slowing down. Crossing North 6, from north and north. West on North 7, turning North O, headed back towards Midland. Alvin Bradley Senior Lane, or North 8th. Back to North End North. Clear, clear, clear. Alright, there's no traffic. We're about 50 right now. Back on Midland. We're right. Gonna be heading towards the downtown area if we stay right.
Okay, back on this.
Trooper Rome made 2 attempts to end the pursuit by bumping the motorcycle's rear tire, but each time the rider managed to recover and kept pushing forward at extreme speeds, making the chase even more dangerous with every passing second.
Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here. Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler. Alright, we're on Wheeler southbound. Passing South B-Boy. Passing South D as in David. Speeds 100 miles an hour. Traffic's light. He's got a blue shirt on, no helmet, like khaki shorts and some blue Jordans. Passing South Iota. Just past South O. Speeds 110. Traffic's light. We're passing the Dollar General in South Y. Alright, there's a deputy in front of me. Crossing Fresno. Alright, got a deputy behind me. Passing Houston on Wheeler. Speeds 120. No traffic in our lane. For 3 original stop was for expired tags. We're coming up to Phoenix. Red light on Phoenix. And he blew through Phoenix. Still continuing. No traffic. Speeds 100.
The biker pushed his motorcycle to nearly 130 miles per hour, making the pursuit even more dangerous with every passing mile. Despite the extreme speeds, Trooper Rome stayed right on his tail, maintaining relentless pressure and remaining determined to bring the chase to a safe end.
Going through a red light.
Air Force 7 got the lead. We're coming up to Garrison. North through Garrison. South to North A. Passing North J. John, speed 100, no traffic. No one's walking. I'm coming up to North Essex, or North 6 again. North 6 again.
Thank you, Rick.
Left it out in Dakota. I'm trying to take it back up. I'm walking there, I'm coming up behind you.
Get out! Hey, get down!
The biker eventually lost control and crashed. Even then, he tried to escape on foot, but troopers quickly closed in, cutting off every possible escape route before taking him into custody without further incident. Once again, the Arkansas State Police proved that no matter how fast or reckless a suspect may be, escaping justice is never easy. What do you think about this pursuit and the rider's reckless decisions? For more than a month, drivers in Florida have been facing criminal charges under the state's new superspeeder law. The law targets anyone caught driving 100 miles per hour or faster or more than 50 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, with penalties that can include jail time.
Hey man, I'm Chipper Franco from the Florida Highway Patrol. The reason I started doing 116, okay, this is 65 mile per hour zone. Right? And then you're cutting fine. You're cutting Okay. All right. You got your license and insurance. Okay. All right. Stay in the car. Oh, you can hang up. Oh, that's okay. You good. Fine. Right. So you're gonna be arrested, right, for driving on 160 miles per hour. Okay, that's 51 over.
I did it. My son right now is getting.
You're gonna have to call someone. You're gonna have to call someone. All right.
Please, like
Right.
I've never gotten. A
You're doing
ticket.
160. That's dangerous.
I get
Cutting people
it.
big
I'm
off.
so- Can I call someone now, though?
Yeah, I'll
Before?
give you a second.
Please, sir, I'm asking for compassion. Like, this is my first time. Like, if you want, I won't even drive back. Like, I could have someone come and get me. Please, sir. Please, sir.
771.
I'm complying with you, okay? I just.
Show me 1 to 15.
Can you just please put yourself in my position? Like, that's fine. We have a pickle next door.
What's your?
Please, sir.
Anything? Alright. What's your hair? Yeah. Just use the pressure.
Could you please give me a chance, sir?
There's no chance, man. You're putting yourself and all the people
Sir,
at
I know, but
I understand.
like my son is, my 5-year-old at
Alright.
home, you know, like I got a call like that.
anything in your pockets you want to leave here.
I just want to make a phone call.
Okay, I'll give you a call. That's all you had is their phone?
My phone, yes.
Alright.
Where you from, sir?
No, see.
Because come on now, please. Please, like I just got up, I had to leave work and
One of those drivers was a 28-year-old woman who was stopped by a Florida Highway Patrol trooper after being clocked at 116 miles per hour on the beach line near Tradeport Drive. She claimed she was rushing because she had received a call that her son had been bitten in the face by a pit bull. The trooper didn't accept the explanation, and she was arrested under the new law.